This video shows how to run the aerosol valve dip tube fitting machine step by step. Firstly, install the machine with feeding systems properly. And take one end of the tube roll through the acrylic chamber and inserting slider, making sure the hook is above the tube so that the machine will detect whether the tube is run out. Then cut the tube manually. Switch on the air supply and the power. Then the home page of the HMI will shown. To set the tube length, click the field for setting the length. Input the password, for example, 77,777,777. Then another pop-up comes out and the length can be changed, for example 100 mm. Afterwards, click the auto/manual button to shift the mode to auto. The motor will be originated with green light flashes. Pressing the start button to start the machine. The elevating conveyor has a sensor to check whether the bowl is full or not. Determine whether stop feeding or start feeding the aerosol valves. There's a tube stand to hold and feed the dip tube. On the screen, there are detailed information on the production, such as speed, dip tube length, production quantities of set, current and the day. On the parameter page, there's several datas for future maintenance, such as operating speed, fitting position, etc. The output speed of the machine is 60 pieces per minute on average. If the dip tube length is shorter, then the speed is faster. We have made lots of dip tube fitting machines for aerosol valves, lotion pumps, trigger sprayers, veterinary catheters, etc. Thanks for watching the trial run of the aerosol valve dip tube fitting machine.